close your eyes once again and imagine the night sky. But this time, something is different. Look above. The sky is completely dark. There is no glowing white light, no full moon, no moonlight, only endless darkness. Strange, isn't it? Because almost every human being has seen the moon at some point in life. It was always there, sometimes half, sometimes full, sometimes like a thin glowing line. It became so normal that perhaps we stopped thinking about what would happen if it wasn't there. But the truth is, there was once a time when the moon did not exist at all. Earth was alone, no moon, no moonlight, no massive tides, and perhaps no life either. Today, we are not just going to learn the story of a ball of rock. Today, we will learn the story of the world that has been Earth's companion for billions of years. We will learn about its birth, its violent past, its mysteries, and the truth that changed our world forever. Today, we will learn the complete story of the moon. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. It was not a calm blue planet. Everywhere on its surface, there was only fire. Molten lava was spread across the entire world like oceans. Massive volcanoes were continuously erupting. Poisonous gases filled the sky. Asteroids were colliding with Earth almost every day. The entire solar system was still in the process of formation. There was chaos everywhere. But in the middle of that chaos, another world was moving through space. A lost planet, which scientists call Theia. Theia was not an ordinary rock. It was almost as large as the planet Mars. It was traveling through space at an unbelievable speed. For millions of years, it continued on its path. And then, one day, its path crossed Earth's path. Two giant worlds, slowly moving toward each other. No one knew that the next few moments would change the history of the entire solar system. And then, the collision happened. It was not just a collision. It was one of the most terrifying events in the history of any planet. So much energy was released that it is almost impossible to compare it to anything. The entire Earth shook. Vast oceans of lava were thrown into space. Huge portions of Earth's surface broke apart and were blasted outward. For some time, it seemed as if Earth itself would be destroyed, but that did not happen. After that collision, a massive glowing ring of fire, dust, and shattered rocks formed around Earth. Millions and billions of rocks and dust particles were orbiting around the planet. But then, gravity began to do its work. Slowly, the smaller pieces started joining together. Small pieces became larger, and larger pieces became even more massive. Time continued to pass, and from those shattered remains, something new began to be born. The moon. But this was not the moon that we see today. The early moon was completely different from today's moon. Its surface was filled with burning rocks and molten material. It was much closer to Earth. So close that if someone had been standing on Earth at that time, they would have seen a gigantic glowing world in the sky. It would have appeared many times larger than the moon we see today. But the moon was not just a rock hanging in the sky. It was changing Earth. Its gravitational force was pulling Earth's oceans. Massive tides were rising. The waters of the seas were constantly moving. And some scientists believe that perhaps these tides played an important role in the early development of life on Earth. But the moon did one more thing. Something without which perhaps we would not even be here today. It kept Earth stable. Earth is tilted slightly on its axis. Because of this, seasons change on our planet. But if the moon did not exist, this tilt of Earth could have continuously changed. Sometimes the planet could become extremely hot, sometimes extremely cold. The seasons could have become completely unstable. Perhaps life would never have developed at all. Think about it. That calm moon visible in the night sky is not there only for beauty. It is a part of the balance of our world. It has been silently doing its job for billions of years. But there is also a story written on its surface. If you look closely at the moon, you can see dark patches on its surface. For a long time, People thought they were seas, but later scientists discovered that they are actually vast plains that were filled with lava billions of years ago. And the thousands of craters on the moon, they are not just craters, they are marks of time. Every crater is a story. Every mark is the memory of a terrifying collision, because unlike Earth, the moon does not have a thick atmosphere to stop asteroids. So for billions of years, objects coming from space continued to collide directly with its surface. But the moon's biggest mystery is still waiting, because for thousands of years, humans could only watch it from afar. Looking at that glowing world in the night sky, people created countless stories. Some saw the home of gods in it, some saw mysterious shapes, and some believed that perhaps another world existed there. But one question always remained: what is really there? For centuries, this question was only a dream. But then humanity decided to do something that once seemed impossible. They decided to reach the moon. In the 20th century, a new race began on Earth. It was not a race of land, but a race of space. Humans no longer wanted to simply look at the sky, they wanted to touch it. Massive rockets were built. New technologies were developed. Thousands of scientists were working day and night. And then the day arrived that changed the history of all humanity. A spacecraft lifted off from Earth, crossed the atmosphere, entered the darkness of space, and slowly began moving toward that world which humanity had spent thousands of years only looking at. Then, for the first time, a human being stepped onto the surface of the moon. At that moment, it was not just one human who had landed on the moon. At that moment, all of humanity had reached there. Where once there were only imagination, now there were footprints of human beings. And the most astonishing part, those footprints still exist today. Because there is no wind on the moon. There is no rain there. There are no powerful winds that can erase those marks. The footprints that were made decades ago still remain exactly the same today. But the moon is not only a part of our past, it could also become a part of our future. Today, scientists are once again looking toward the moon. They want to build permanent bases there. They are searching for resources hidden beneath its surface. Some scientists believe that in the future, humanity may use the moon as a station, a place from where humanity will begin journeys even deeper into space. Perhaps one day, spacecraft launching from the moon will travel toward Mars. Perhaps one day, from there, humanity will take its first step toward other worlds. Think about it. Billions of years ago, the moon was born after a terrifying collision. It was born from fire. It was created from destruction. But today, that same world lights up our nights. That same world influences our oceans. That same world keeps our Earth stable. And perhaps, it will also guide the path of our future. This is not only the story of the moon, it is also a part of our story. But our journey is not over yet, because the next mystery is waiting for us. A world that today appears dry and dead, but hidden inside it are the signs of a lost world. A planet where rivers once flowed, where vast oceans may have existed, and perhaps where life may also have existed. In the next chapter, we will learn the complete story of Mars, and as we move deeper into space, this story will become even more unbelievable